Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 27th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Well, Palantir is dropping. So down 56 cents, 5%, 5.04%. At closed at 10.56. Post market, we seem to be up by 19 cents, 1.8%. So, yeah, what else is new? What else is new? We are continuing this downward trend. The upper resistance is pretty much this purple resistance right here, and the purple channel looks like it could be right here. So let's do it here for now, and we can adjust it if it does not make sense anymore. Maybe we have this here also. Going on the 1 hour chart. So first hour of the day, we dropped down and then stayed sideways. It looks like we might go further down tomorrow, but we have the post market at 10.75, but the post market can change until tomorrow comes. Coming back to the daily chart, well, everything is in the tank. Nothing to see here. So we might be bouncing on this support. Let me put this in the right color. So we might be bouncing on this support. That's still possible. But if we bounce on this support, we could be going back up to this point right here. And then the stock is going to have to decide if it's going to break this purple resistance or not, or just continue caving in. That's a very real possibility. We have an ultimate support at $9 here. $9 is pretty much the ultimate support because this is at the point where the stock started at the IPO in October 2020. So it's possible that we might go back to the original IPO price, which was extremely low. Everybody does what they want, but holding something that's going down, to me, is not a good idea. You don't hold something while it's in a downtrend, because when it's in a downtrend, it means that the stock is just dropping. It's dropping and it will continue to drop for some time. So knowing that, my strategy is always to get out when I see even the shadow of a downtrend, and then it's possible to come back in like we did right here. So if you listen to me, there is a great possibility that you got back into the stock at 11.84, and then you could have sold easily at 13.30. So why not do that? The money's there. Why not do that? And we have the tools to be able to identify those things. But I am not here to preach to people who don't see things this way. It's possible to make money on the internet by just holding a stock long term. There are different ways to make money on the stock market. So I'm not here to debate all of the ways, but at least I can tell you what I do and what I think. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.